In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to enable push notification for transaction in Trust Wallet. So to enable or disable your push notification for transaction in Trust Wallet is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you just need to go to launch or open up your Trust Wallet application. Type in your passcode and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from here you have to go ahead and click on the gear icon located in the top right hand side corner. So right on this page, you need to go to the section that says notification. So to enable or allow push notification, just toggle the button right over here, and then go ahead and toggle the button one more time. Select the notification type, and when you've done that, you've successfully enabled notification. Similarly, if you wish to disable it, head back to the same page and toggle the button, and you'll have successfully disabled it. Depending on your preferences, you might also find the option to customize the type of transaction you want to be notified about, such as receiving alert for or transaction for one specific type and all that. And then you could go ahead and verify notification permissions, and that's how you could go ahead and enable your permissions or disable it. By following the steps, will ensure you to receive push notification for your transaction in Trust Wallet, keeping you informed about all the activities in your wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.